everybody, welcome back to my kitchen and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make like a little appetizer of stuffed peppers. So I already have my meatloaf inside mixed up. To do that, I will put the link down below and in the video as well. So I'm making this a two-part video. I already made the little miniature meatballs and now I'm gonna use the rest to make some little tiny stuffed peppers. So I will put that link how we got this meat all together. I did this thing that happens often when I'm making videos. One of two things happens. Either I think I pressed the record button and it doesn't work, or my microphone's off. So this time it was the record button. I just wanted to tell you we are making meatballs today. I can't walk you through it because as you see, I've already got it all mixed up before I realized that the camera wasn't rolling, but I can tell you what I did. So I have about 1.5 pounds of ground beef in here. I added a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1 egg, which I'm not going to get another egg out of the refrigerator, but there's an egg in here, a tablespoon of garlic, and then I do half a pack of Italian seasoning, or if I'm making a double batch, I'll put the whole package in. And I do a half a pack of the Lipton onion soup. Again, if I'm doing a full batch, I put a full package in. And then a 1/4 cup of the breadcrumbs. So you just want it to mix it all together so it's not real sticky. You don't want to add extra breadcrumbs and make it real dry. You don't want them to taste like breadcrumbs. You want them to taste like meatballs. So now we have the meat done, which was done, but the video kind of portrays that a little bit now. We're gonna just take these little tiny peppers. We're gonna cut them in half and we're gonna take the seeds out of them. So we're just gonna slice them like that. And we're gonna remove these seeds. And then we're gonna stuff these and then put them in the oven, and then right before they're about to be done, we're gonna top them with a little bit of cheese. So let me get these all cleaned out for you. I don't need to put you through the agony of watching the whole process here. All right, so we have those all cut up, veined, seeded. We're just gonna place them on our cookie sheet, our baking pan here, so that I can throw away the seeds and everything.
The main contributing factor that landed both Kristen, whose interview
I have those tiny meatballs in the oven, and they're already starting to smell good. So we're just gonna make these little stuffed pepper appetizers here. Put on my gloves. I found using these is easier. I don't mind meat on my hands, but I like it better when you can just take these off and continue working. So we're just gonna stuff that right on down in there. Just like that. You see that? Isn't that cute? I'm gonna stuff these all full. Just kind of want to press it down in, make sure it gets down in the seams nice and good. Kind of pile it up a little bit on the tops. When these are done, you can put some cheese on top. You can put some spaghetti sauce on them.
What do you mean by going out there? Oh, we went out to
You can eat them just the way they are, not raw, once they're done cooking.
a lot of like tables and chairs and a bunch of stuff that people brought up there specifically for paintball. So
I figure with holiday season coming up, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, football season, maybe we should just do a couple of different appetizers along with our general dinner recipes that we make.
Alexa, stop.
Oh, those little tiny meatballs, they need to be checked now.
it's like kind of like back like high school, so you're not gonna.
Be right back. Alright, so they need about 5 more minutes. So I should be able to get these finished before they're done then.
Little skirmishes, just us two.
Like I said, you're just gonna squish that meat right down in there.
Or something, because we wouldn't wanna get all dirty.
Squish, squish, squish. No rhyme or reason.
Will you leave your phone on or off?
It's very possible to turn it off.
How do you do that?
Why would I turn it off? Just because it saves battery. My phone, a lot of times I'll use it to, it plays on.
Generally, if I make like a stuffed bell pepper as a meal,
Robert does a great
I'll
job
actually
explaining
add rice
about his
in-
phone being off, as if it's
in
an
my
everyday
meat.
occurrence for him.
but just because these are a little appetizer, I didn't want to go with the rice in there. And I already was making the little meatballs, so
told police that in their entire relationship, the day of Becky's murder was the
this was a good way to use the rest of it and the rest of my peppers up from my other recipe that I'll try to remember and put the link down below for the little cream cheese stuffed appetizer ones.
Time when Becky, Vicky, and John were murdered between 7 p.m. and 9 p.m. At 7:13
I like to
p.m. on
try to
September 17th, Robert's
get the
phone turned
most
off.
out of
At about the
anything
same
I
time,
cook.
Kristen's
Anytime
phone
I have
also went off.
leftovers, I try to
Records indicate
reintroduce
the
it to
phone
a
either
different
went
meal
airplane mode or were
so that I'm not
completely
eating
turned
the same thing all the
off.
time.
Both phones turned on again at around 9:44 p.m.
But I'm using everything up so nothing goes bad. Cheese in them.
And,
So there you have it.
yeah,
Like little miniature peppers. Little miniature pepper boats. When those meatballs are out of the oven, we'll stick these in 350 for about 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, so the meatballs are out. We're going to throw in our little pepper appetizers and we're going to let them cook. Again, the oven's at 350 and we're going to let them cook for 15 minutes. Soon. These little peppers in here are done. We're just going to place some cheese on top of them and then put them back in the oven just long enough for the cheese to melt. Got a little bit of cheese on those. Like I said, we're going to put them right back in only long enough for the cheese to melt. There we go. That'll be about a minute or two. All right, there we go. Those little baby stuffed pepper appetizers look great. They just look delicious. Look at them. Pretty and colorful. Yum. There you have it, folks. Look at those tasty, yummy little miniature stuffed pepper appetizers. Those babies are so good. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Recipe will be down below and linked will be the meatballs. Thanks for watching. See y'all.
As the kids say,